Drowning in repetitive computer work that eats your time and focus. Logging into portals, downloading files, scraping data, copying it across tools, filling forms, clicking through the same workflows every single day. TuriX is built to be the solution, an AI digital worker that actually uses your computer like a human and takes those tasks off your plate. Most teams today are stuck between two bad options. Traditional RPA tools promise automation but end up expensive, fragile, and dependent on specialists who constantly babysit flows when a button moves or a layout changes. On the other side, general AI models are great at chatting and reasoning, but the moment you ask them to reliably control real desktop apps for long, messy workflows, they fall apart. CAPTCHAs appear, screens change, windows resize, and the whole process breaks. TuriX sits in the middle and fixes both problems. Now, TuriX is different. It's a humanoid computer agent you install on Mac or Windows. You talk to it in plain language, it understands your intent, it builds a plan, and executes actions directly on your screen with real-time feedback. No APIs to wire, no UI element tagging, no drag and drop flow builders. Compared to RPA, you do not predefine every step. Compared to chat-based AI, it does not just explain what to do, it actually does it, end-to-end on your machine. The client experience has also been refined with an optimized floating control window so that you can supervise tasks without clutter, better handling off-screen scene changes, and full compatibility with Windows 10 alongside Mac and newer Windows versions. Now, the front end now also supports Chinese, making the system itself usable for global teams. Now here's what it looks like in practice. Imagine you work in HR and every week you need to log into multiple job portals, download new resumes, extract candidate details, update a spreadsheet, and push key info into your internal HR system. Manually, this is pure time drain. With scripts or classic RPA, it breaks the moment a site changes. With TuriX, you simply say, every morning, log into these 3 sites, download new resumes, update this Google Sheet, and sync basic info into our HR tool. TuriX opens the browser, navigates visually, adapts to layout and screen changes, works around CAPTCHAs, and keeps the workflow running as the UI evolves. If something unexpected happens mid-task, the new Replans function lets the agent adjust its strategy instead of failing. That adaptability is the real differentiator. And now under the hood, this is powered by their research. TuriX Parallelum is a multi-role framework designed for long horizon desktop tasks. Instead of one model trying to think and act at the same time, it splits the work across planning, action, evaluation, and supervision. This structure is what allows features like replanning, better error recovery, and safer long workflows. It is also why they can add practice controls like device management, include the ability to cleanly delete devices from your setup without breaking running processes. They also built a vision language model specifically for GUI control. Now, general models like GPT-4o or Gemini 2.5 Pro are strong at reasoning, but they struggle with efficient action paths and pixel-level precision is dense interfaces. TuriX targets exactly that. On benchmarks like Showdown clicks and Mac click, it reaches around 64% click accuracy, matching a proprietary OpenAI computer use agent and beating open models like UI-TARS by roughly 10% relatively. On real-world macOS laptop tasks, it achieves around 68% end-to-end success at pass at 5. Now, the key idea of all of this is combining better planning with precise visual grounding, so it knows what to do and exactly where to click, even as screens change. From a business angle, new generation technology, the team behind TuriX is targeting the $28 billion RPA market and the much bigger issue of roughly $2 trillion lost every single year to repetitive work. Their goal is simple: replace brittle automation and manual labor with AI digital workers that are accessible, reliable, globally usable, and priced around $50 a month. If you're a developer, there's also a TuriX API platform that you can try for free. It uses a simple JSON-style setup pointing to their model and base URL. The public API is meant for testing and experimentation, not general chat, and they recommend following their GitHub guidelines when integrating it with your own tools. You can download TuriX for Mac or Windows from the official website, and from there, you can also join their Discord community where users share workflows, get support, and track fast-moving updates like UI improvements, replanning logic, and platform compatibility. So if you want to be the part of the next wave of AI digital workers, check out TuriX and see how it fits into your own processes. And if you like content on AI agents, automation, and the future of digital work, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment down below with how you would use an AI digital worker like TuriX in your own workflow. Thank you all for watching today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one.